Let's talk about our hero coin, XCN. Its full name is Onyxcoin. It's sitting at 1.7 cents right now, 1.76. And I can swear on it, this is pretty much where it was yesterday as well. One day has passed, nothing has changed, and I'll show it to you why. Because this is the day before yesterday, this is yesterday, this is today. It's been only a few hours. You can tell by the size of candles how the volume has disappeared and the indecisiveness in the market is introduced, which makes our life difficult. Now this is our fourth day below the area of 1.8 cents. This was our first day when we lost it. Second day confirmed it that it is going to go down. Third day it went. Fourth day maybe we will see some more magical downward journey as we have lost the area of 1.8 cents. Now with XCN it's a straightforward game. If we are not holding on to 1.8 cents, our probabilities of going down towards 1.45, they always stay high. You're playing a game of 70 versus 30. Your chances of going down are 70%. 30% your chances are to go up. Other than that, I don't think there is anything else to add to XCN. The only thing that I'm seeing in XCN right now is that it is taking its sweet time to go down because the volume has literally disappeared. And generally, what does that mean? It means that you don't have any crazy sellers right now in existence. Buyers have been dried out, but sellers are also thinking that should I take profit at this level or not? So the volume is so low because you only have traders, people who take small bits and pieces of trades on leverage and on spot. They are participating, but those who are doing big buy and sells, they are sitting kind of on the sidelines. Sellers are now thinking that should I take profit here or not. And I did see that yesterday in a comment under my video as well. Someone said that they have purchased it at 0.008, which is below 1 cent. And right now, of course, they are sitting at more than 100% profit. They were saying should they take profit or not. I said if it were me, I'll book 100% profit around 2 cents. But as it is you, it was yesterday or day before yesterday. Sorry, but it was one day or 2 days ago when they made that comment. And I said that, but in your case scenario, you can be greedy if you want to. Sell half here at 1.8 cents and then sell the remaining half at 2.2 cents or 3.3 cents, whatever is your greed level. But at least take some profit. And I think this is the overall situation that we are seeing in the chart that is depicting that as it is a very small coin, the overall investors numbers, they are small in numbers too. So if you look at it all in all, you don't have a large massive community that is making decision for XCN. XCN community is small, and that's why it is always the small number of people that decides the direction of XCN. So once it starts going down, we might see a bit of a dump altogether, just like we saw the pump altogether. It can be that kind of a situation because all these people who are sitting on the sidelines, once it starts going down, they'll start panic selling and then it will drop dramatically. And that's pretty much it with XCN. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good and you should know better what is good for you.